Imagine a place where the world slows down, where the rhythm of the sea sets the pace of life. This is Placencia, a hidden treasure in southern Belize, where serenity meets adventure and every moment feels like a gentle rediscovery. Here, on this narrow stretch of land kissed by both the Caribbean Sea and a peaceful lagoon, time takes on a different meaning. Days are spent soaking in the sun on quiet beaches or wandering the village streets, where locals greet you with warm smiles and open hearts. This isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to feel. In Placencia, it's not about rushing to see everything. It's about savoring the little things. The feel of soft sand beneath your feet, the taste of fresh seafood prepared by hands that have perfected the craft over generations, and the song of the gentle waves lulling you into a state of relaxation you haven't felt in years. But Placencia isn't just about relaxation, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. From kayaking through hidden lagoons to snorkeling in the vibrant coral reefs of nearby keys, every experience here is intimate, personal, and unforgettable. Nature shows its truest colors in the calm of these waters and the warmth of the community. As the sun sets, casting its golden glow over the horizon, Placencia wraps you in a feeling of calm that is hard to find anywhere else. This isn't a destination for loud parties or crowded resorts. It's for those who seek something more, a quiet adventure, a deeper connection, a return to simplicity. Why Placencia? Because here you can truly be yourself. Whether you're seeking time with family, a romantic escape, or simply a space to breathe, Placencia gives you more than just a vacation. It gives you a sense of belonging. Come for the beaches, stay for the peace, leave with a heart full of memories. Placencia is more than a destination. It's a feeling, and it's waiting for you. Placencia, where serenity meets adventure. Your journey of gentle rediscovery begins here. Placencia, Belize.